Don't forget to hit on the subscriber red color button so that you'd be subscribed to my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the bell icon so whenever I upload a video you will get a notification so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a very beautiful designer sleeves. To make this design I have just already made my sleeves and it's been ready like this. So on top of this we are going to make that design. To make the design I have just took a same yellow color fabric, and the height of this fabric is going to be like 4.5 inches. This height you can alter according to your need. That's if you want you can make like 3.5. I just want the design to be a little bit big, so it's going to be like 4.5 inches, and it's going to be a beautiful replica video. And you can see I'm just going to cut into that particular line. You need a lengthy fabric because you're going to make a big box pleats. To get that big box pleats you have to give a very big fabric like this. So you can see it's a long fabric. I have just folded the fabric in half, so I got a big fabric like this. Now we are going to make a box pleat on top of this fabric, and before making the box pleat I have just sewn the top and the bottom edge of this fabric, and I'm going to make the box pleat for 2.5 inches. I just made a cardboard like this and I'm placing the cardboard underneath, and I'm folding both the sides and just pressing that in place like such. So this is going to hold the box pleats while sewing that into your sleeves. So just take out the cardboard like such, and you find little bit difficult to make a pleats at the bottom, and you can try the next method. Just flip the fabric out and you're going to make the pleats at the top. So either way you can do. So now all you're going to do is make a small pleats like this. Just keep the cardboard like such, and you're going to fold that again on top of that. So this is the second method, and you can try either method, and both is going to come really neat. And here come my second box pleat. In same way I'm going to make these beautiful box pleats to entire fabric, and you're going to repeat the same. Just take the cardboard out and you're going to repeat the same to the next one. Just fold it like this and overlap again. And this box pleat length can vary just according to your wish. So I just took the width of the box pleat to be 2.5 inches. So now take the sleeves fabric, just the half folded sleeve, and open the sleeve fabric, and the box pleat fabric is going to run from one end to the another end. So starting from the sleeves, just I'm going to draw a line from one end, let it be curved little bit like such, and it's going to connect to the next end of the bottom side like this. And to the box pleat you're going to just mark 1 inch from the top, and you're going to sew that 1 inch first before attaching that to your sleeves. Okay, just like that. I'm just going to place it on top, and this is also same. You can try on either way. You can attach, that is you can attach the sleeves and the box pleat together at a time, or else you have to sew the box pleat fabric for 1 inch straight line, and then you can attach that to your sleeves. So you can try either way. And you have seen that I have folded the raw edge of a double folded on the starting point, and I'm sewing that to all the way down like this. So little by little ease with the fabric and sew nice and neat like such. So you're going to sew that in a neat curve way so that it's going to look really beautiful, and it's just going to look really nice because it's a very trendy, very unique design, and sure you will love this. So if you want more videos, don't forget to hit on the subscriber and also the thumbs up button below. So now it's going to be the end, and I'm going to cut the box pleat fabric, And now you can see this how it's going to look. All you're going to do is pull the fabric down like such, and you're going to put a small stitch over here to finish that style. And now you can see I'm going to pull this top fabric of 1 inch downwards, and I'm going to put a stitch, and I'm going to secure that in place. Okay, just 1 or 2 stitch will hold that together. Okay, so same like this, I'm going to sew the entire box pleat. So just pull that down a little bit, and you're going to put a stitch on top of that. Okay, and that's it, you're done. If you're going to do the same to the entire box pleat, and this how it looks once it's done. And hope you like this video, and if you like this video and if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button below. See you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.